Good day guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble your ring lights, the unboxing of the ring lights. So now this is how it looks like. So I got this not long ago, and it came with another kind of stand, but I requested for this because I didn't want that one to stress me out. So now this is how you assemble it. This one is for the bottom here. So now I said this is for the bottom here. If you look well, you see that it has a grip. This grip and this one will match together. And now for any adjustment on the tripod, you make use of this this nut here to set the tripod or the ring lights before you now hold it when it's set. So now the second thing to put is the camera holder. Camera holder, you fix it this way. Once you fixed it inside this slot, you make it tight. You tighten it. You tighten it firm. So now for this grip, you can notice that it can be horizontal or vertical. Any way you want to use the tripod, you can use it. So this is if you want it to stand horizontally. This is for the vertical. So tighten it back. So right now we'll be unboxing the stand or the tripod. This is how it looks. So now there's an adjuster here for the legs. You open it before you can open up the legs this way. Now there are also different layers of adjustments. You loose, you tight, and you loose, take it up again. So now I'll be setting the tripod. So right here you see that this nut here fits into this. So we'll tighten it this way. Good, now it's firmly tight. So now we'll go ahead to connect the power cable to a light source. It came with a USB, so we plug it and it turns on. So right now this is the regular light. You can change it to white, and then it has the red and green light. Red, green, blue, and different colors of light. So this is basically how to assemble a ring light and how to use it. So if you're new to this channel, subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.